welcome to maths class. Continuation of chapter 3, addition up to 20. In this chapter already you learnt some concepts. Addition means we putting together one or two numbers or one or two numbers or more than two numbers we are going to putting together. After adding the given numbers, we get a new number. That new number is called total. Total. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. This is plus. P-L-U-S. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. The result of addition is called total. T-O-T-A-L. Total. Addition means we are going to putting together two or more numbers or two or more things, objects. Okay, red apples, green apples, red crayons, green crayons. Okay, some birds are there on the branch, some are come and joined to them. Okay, next red pencils, blue pencils, we are going to putting together. Here find the total pencils. Okay, my dear children. Next, addition facts. Rules in the addition. Rules in the addition. When we add 0 to a number, we get same number. Very good. Now I am going to show examples. See, 6 plus 0, 6. 0 plus 4, 4. 10 plus 0, 10. 0 plus 9, 9. This is the rule in the addition. When we add 0 to a number, we get the same number. The total does not change. Okay? Here we add 0 to a number. The answer is same number. 6 plus 0, 6. 0 means nothing, empty. That's why we get the same number. 0 plus 4, 4. See how I am going to read. Listen. 10 plus 0 equal to 10. 0 plus 9 equal to 9. Okay. This is going to number plus 0 or 0 plus number. 0 ni number to add chesna. Number ni 0 to add chesna. Same number vastundi. The total does not change. Okay, next one. When we add 1 to a number, the total goes to next number of the given number. That means after number of the given number. Let us see examples. 1 plus 8, 3 plus 4. Here we are going to add 1 to number. 1 plus 11, 14 plus 1. Here, come on, think what is the answer, what is the total? We add 1 to number. Then what is the rule? After number of the given number, next number of the number. Here number is 8. What comes after 8? 9. Very good. That means 1 plus 8 equal to 9. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. Next one. 3 plus 1. Here we add 1 to 3. Then 3 after 4. 3 after 4. Understood? Next one. 1 plus 11. We add 1 to 11. Here given number is 11. What comes after 11? 12. Very good. 1 plus 11 equal to 12. Next one. 14 plus 1. Here add 1 to 14. That means what comes after 14? 15. Very good. This is the rule in the addition. We add 1 to a number. We get the next number. Let us see this one. 1 plus 1. What is the answer? Yes, 1 after. Here we add 1 to 1. Then 1 plus 1, 2. Then 1 plus 1, 2. Another one. 0 plus 1. What is the answer? 1 plus 0 or 0 plus 1. What is the answer? Come on, see. 0 0 plus 9. Here 1 plus 0. What is the answer? 1. Okay, my dear children. This is going to number plus 0. 0 plus number. 1 plus number. Number plus 1. After number of the given number. After number of the given number. Another one. We add the given numbers in any order. We get the same number. I show you that example also. Are you clear about this? Number plus 0, 0 plus number. Are you understood, Nana? Okay. Next one. 3 plus 5. 5 plus 3. Horizontal addition. We adding numbers. Yes, we are writing one after one, side by side. Now first adding 3 plus 5 using fingers. Using fingers. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Once again. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. Now I am going to add from this side. See, now I should take 5 fingers. 5. Now 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means we add 3 to 5 or 5 to 3. We get 8 only. Okay. Now 5 plus 3 or 3 plus 5. The answer is 8. See, here we are adding 3 to 5. Here 5 to 3, we get 8 only. Okay. In addition, we add the numbers in any order. We get the total, same total. Okay. Another one. These all are concepts, my dear children. 0 plus 9, what is the answer? 9 plus 0, what comes in total? 0 plus 9, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. Very good. Super. Next one. 1 plus 7. 7 plus 1. Tell me answer. We add 1 to 7. Then 7 after 8. Very good. Now 7 plus 1. Here also we add 1 to 7. 7 after 8. Do you understood the magic? 1 plus 7 or 7 plus 1, same total. 1 ni 7 తో యాడ్ చేసినా 7 ని 1 తో యాడ్ చేసినా 8 వస్తుంది. ఓకే. Another one. How to find the missing number? How to find the missing number? First, I show you vertical addition of one digit numbers. What are one digit numbers, my dear children? 1 to 9 numbers are one digit numbers. Okay. Come on, look at the examples. 3 plus 4. 3 and 4 are ones. 3 ones and 4 ones. 5 plus 5. Double numbers. These are also ones. 7 plus 0. These are also ones. Come on. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. What is the addition? 3 plus 4. One digit numbers. That's why I am writing ones. 3 ones, 4 ones. Ready? Come on. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7 is total. Okay. Now come to here. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. Come on. Take 5 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. Then we are going to change here. Ones are going to 110 and 5 ones. See, 110 and 0 ones. Here we are adding 5 and 5, we get 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. Now come to here. 7 plus 0. Using concept here, number plus 0, same number. Understood? These are going to vertical addition of 1-digit numbers. Now I show you. We adding 1-digit numbers, we get 2-digit number. మనం 1-digit numbers add చేస్తే 2-digit number వస్తుందంట. Total goes to 2-digit number. Let us see. 5 plus 9. Ones place, tens place. Okay? We are adding ones, but we get 2-digit number. See, ready na Nana? Same process. Take 5 fingers. 9 after. 9 after. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 14 means we get 14 kada? Yes or no? 14 means 10 plus 4. 14 means 10 plus 4. Here we are adding 5 and 9. We get the answer 14. 1 right in the tens place, 4 right in the ones place. Why? 14 means 1 10 and 4 ones. That's why we write 1 in the tens place, 4 in the ones place. Understood? Another example. Very easy. Next one. 6 plus 9. What is the addition? 6 plus 9. Ones place, tens place. We add 1-digit numbers. The total goes to 2-digit number. 2-digit numbers in this chapter we have to learn up to 20. Okay, come on. Ready na? Come on. Take. Do with me, along with me. Take 6 fingers. Very good. 6. What is the number? 9. 9 after 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6 plus 9, 15. 1, 10, 5 ones. 15 equal to 10 plus 5. 1, 10 and 5 ones. That's why we write 5 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place. Here adding 1-digit numbers, we get 2-digit number. Next one. Addition of 2-digit number and 1-digit number. 2-digit number and 1-digit number. Okay? Come on. 2-digit number. I am going to take in 13 plus 2. 13 is 2-digit number. 2 is 1-digit number. Ones place, tens place. But you don't write like this. Ones, tens. If you arrange the numbers like this, this is wrong. Why? 2 means ones. 2 should be right in the ones place. Don't write here. If you are writing here 1-digit number, this arrangement of numbers is wrong. Don't write like this. Okay, my dear children? We have to arrange the numbers like this. 2-digit means tens and ones. 1-digit means only ones. Start addition from ones. 3 plus 2. Ready? Take 3 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5. 5 right in the ones place. Okay, now go to tens place. Here 1 10. Here no tens. Then bring down this one and write in the total place in the tens place. This is answer is 15. 13 plus 2 equal to 15. Here we adding 13 and 2. We get 2-digit number. 2-digit number and 1-digit number. Can I show you one more example? Okay. Very easy. Are you understood, Nana? Okay. Okay. 16 plus 3. 16 is 2-digit number. 1, 10, 6 ones. 3 is 1-digit number. That's why we write 3 in the ones place. O for ones, T for tens. 16, 1, 10, 6 ones. 3, only ones. Start addition from ones. First adding ones, write in the ones place. This is ones place, this is tens place. Start from ones place. What is the first number, Nana? 6. Come on, take 6 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 write in the ones place. Now here no tens. Bring down this tens number. Write as it is here. Now the total is 19. 16 plus 3 equal to 19. See, we are going to write like this. 16 plus 3 equal to 19. 16, 1, 10, 6 ones. 19, 1, 10, 9 ones. Here we add in 2-digit number and 1-digit number. The total goes to 2-digit number. Now, how to find the missing number in the addition? How to find the missing number in the addition? See, 5 plus, here we don't know the number. The total is 9. How much should be added to 5? We get 9. How much should be added to 5? We get 9. We don't know the second number. Here we know first number and total. Okay? How do you find the second number? See. First number is 5. Start counting after 5 till we get 9. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 4 fingers. That means 5 plus 4 equal to 9. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Okay, next one. 3 plus, we don't know the second number here also. 6. Total is 6. First number is 3. Here we find out second number. Ready, my dear children? Start counting after 3 till we get 6. 3 after 4, 5, 6. 3. Now 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Another one. We don't know the first number. Second number is 8. Answer is 10. Then how to find out first number? Same process. 8 after 9, 10. How much should be added to 8? 2. That means 2 plus 8 equal to 10. This is going to finding the missing number. Understood? See, 5 plus, we don't know the second number. Here we find out the second number. Total is 9. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. We need 4. Here 3 plus, how much should be added to 3? We get 6. 3 after 4, 5, 6. 3. Here we don't know the first number. Here we find out first number. This is going to dash plus 8 equal to 10. 8 after 9, 10. Next one. Already we write in our textbook. I show you that exercise. See. Red crayon, green crayons, total crayons. Red apples, green apples, total apples. Cookies on Monday, cookies eat on Tuesday, total cookies. Number of butterflies joined to them, total butterflies. Already we done this exercise, and addition on the number line. Addition on the number line. I show you that one also. Next go to next one. Addition on the number line. Yes. Number line, right, straight with sleeping line. Starting with the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I am going to extend it. 14, 15. This number line starts from 0 to 50. Now I am going to show two additions. How to do addition on the number line. First one is 4 plus 5 equal to how much? We start from 0 to move. First number is 4. Go to 4. Start from 0 to 4. Here is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to draw like this. This shows 4. This shows first number 4. Next 5, second number. Again continue the steps. Next 5 numbers. 4 after 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get 9. Again draw a line 4 to 9. This shows 5. The total goes to 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 5 is addition. We show this addition on the number line. We show this addition on the number line. Understood, my dear children? Are you understood how to do addition on the number line? Next addition, my dear children. This is going to 4 plus 5. This number line shows addition of 4 plus 5. First number is 4. 4. Next, we are going to move 5 numbers after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get 9. 9 is the total. Another one. Ready, my dear children? Come on. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. Start from 0. Go to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go. Here is 9. Make a line. 9. Now second number is 4. Now next steps. 4 steps after 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get 13. Draw a line again. This shows 9. This shows 4. Then what is the total? 13. We do addition on the number line like this. Understood? First number is 9. Start from moving from 0 to 9. Next steps goes to 9 after 4. 9 after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We should stop at 13. 13 is a total. 13 is a total. Next one. Adding 3 one-digit numbers. Adding 3 numbers. Adding 3 one-digit numbers. One digit means ones. One digit means ones. 4 plus 3 plus 2. One digit means ones. 5 plus 1 plus 2. Plus C symbol for addition. Here we are going to add in 3 numbers. Ready, my dear children? Start from here. First adding these 2 numbers. Then go to third number. Adding first number and second number. Ready? Very easy. Come on. Take 4 fingers, 3 after, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers, 7 after, 8, 9. Here we add third number to the sum. We get the sum. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers, 7 after, 8, 9. 9 is the plus 2. First adding 4 and 3. We get 7. 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. Understood? Go to that one. 5 plus 1 plus 2. 3 numbers. Start from 5. Take 5 fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in the mind. What should you get here? 6. 6 in the mind. Don't forget. 6 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. 5 plus 1 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 1 plus 2, 8. Another example. Here we are adding 1 digit numbers. Adding 1 digit numbers. Another one. 1 digit, no? That's why ones. 7 plus 3 plus 4. 7 plus 3 plus 4. Here, these are ones, but the answer goes to 2 digit number. That's why put the places, ones place, tens place. T for tens, O for ones. Addition start from 7. First number. Add these two numbers first. 7 plus 3. Take 7 fingers, my dear children. Very good. 3 after. 3 after. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in the mind. Again continue. Take 4 fingers. 10 after. 11, 12, 13, 14. Understood? The answer is 14. That is called total. Once again now. Start from 7. Be careful. Very easy. 3 numbers means we do addition 2 times. 2 numbers means 1 time only. Okay? Come on. Again. Take 7 fingers. Come on, Nana. Take 7 fingers. 3 after. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in the mind. Again continue. Take 4 fingers. 10 after. 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. 1, 10, 4 ones. 1, 10, 4 ones. 14 equal to 1, 10, 4 ones. Another one. Again I am going to keep in tens place, ones place. 5 plus 6 plus 4. 5 plus 6 plus 4. What is the addition? 5 plus 6 plus 4. First add these two numbers. Ready? Take 5 fingers. 6 after. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 11 after. 12, 13, 14, 15. Once again. Again start. Take 5 fingers. 6 after. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 11 after. 12, 13, 14, 15. What is the answer? 15. 1, 10, 5 ones. 1, 10, 5 ones. These are going to adding 3 numbers. Adding 3 numbers. One more example. Tens and ones. 8 plus 1 plus 3. 8 plus 1 plus 3. 8 plus 1 plus 3. First add these two numbers. First add these two numbers. You have to do follow up to down or down to up. We get the same answer. Come on. Take 8 fingers. 1 after. 1 after. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. What is in the mind? 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12. 8 plus 1 plus 3, 12. 1, 10, 2 ones. 1, 10, 2 ones. Okay, my dear children, in our textbook having exercise 3E. Exercise 3E. Add the following. Page number 43. 1 plus 3 plus 2. 5 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2 plus 4. 3 lines addition. 3 numbers. 9 plus 1 plus 3. 8 plus 2 plus 5. 7 plus 4 plus 3. Okay, children? You should complete these sums in your textbook. Okay? These are going to adding 3 numbers. Adding 3 numbers and table of 4. Are you practice? Are you read table of 4? 4 table? Come on. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. Can I give you some more examples? Okay. Adding 3 numbers. Adding 3 numbers means we do addition 2 times. That is going to up to down or down to up. We get the same answer. Now let us see. 5 plus 3 plus 7. Ones place, tens place. 4 plus 6 plus 8. Ones place, tens place. 6 plus 3 plus 2. Ones place, tens place. Come on, my dear children. 5 plus 3 plus 7. First adding these 2 numbers, we get sum. Next third sum, going to add to that sum. Sum means total. Ready now? Take 5 fingers. 3 after. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in the mind. Next again take 7 fingers. Continue the addition. What is in the mind, my dear children? 8. Very good. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We get 2-digit number. 1, 10, 5, 1s, 15. Come on, observe. Next one. 4 plus 6 plus 8. First add 4 and 6. Then going to add 8. Now ready? Come on. Take 4 fingers. 6 after. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in the mind. Take 8 fingers. Continue the addition. Now add 8 to 10. 10 after. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 10, 8 ones. 2-digit number. Adding 1-digit numbers, the answer is 2-digit number total. Now come to here. First add 6 and 3, then add 2. 2 times we are doing here 2 times. Come on, take 6 fingers. 3 after. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 9 after. 10, 11. 1, 10, 1, 1. 1, 10, 1, 1. These are going to adding 3-digit numbers. First add these 2 numbers and add 2 again. First add these 2 numbers, then add 8. First add these 2 numbers, then add 7. If you are doing down to up also same answer. Down to up means first you have to add these two numbers. Then go to that number. See, ready? Take 2 fingers, 3 after, 4, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 6 fingers, 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. చూసారా 11 వచ్చింది. That means up number to down number or down number to up number, we get the same total. Okay, my dear children, practice additions in your homework book. I send notes through WhatsApp. Write in your classwork neatly. Thank you very much and learn table of 4. Thank you, my dear children. Bye.